back. So today I am going to do a little mini door call. Here I thought this bathroom just needed something a little bit. My vision for this space is to kind of set it up like a spa light, and I just wanted something more relaxing, a little bit of warm tone. So I grabbed some pieces and I'm going to put them together, and you just leave in the comment below and tell me what you think. We will be talking about a few things in here. I still have some idea and things that I want to change in here, so not to waste your time, let's get into this video. So this shower bench I got from Home Goods, and I picked it up for the $9.99. Not bad at all. I thought it fits in this space really nicely. I am just cutting the tag of this bench before I wipe it down. So keep watching. And I went ahead and grabbed me this basket as well. So I got these little towels. I think I'm gonna leave these towels together as is and just put it in the basket and just kind of see what it looks like. Just being like that. And I got these. Just gonna leave that like that. Let's see. I don't know. Alright, I got some candle here. And just like that. This bench is a little tricky. It's kind of like this. It's not a flat surface. So that is. This is a soap bar. That's a handmade soap I picked up at a local store here in Minnesota called Daughter of Ra. She sells all handmade products. So, and I got this mirror. I thought it was cute. I couldn't let go of it, and I brought it home. I didn't look at it in the store, but it's missing a pin right there. Like something screwed over here. So this screw is missing from here. And I don't know, I am lazy when it comes to returning stuff. And now that we live like over a half an hour drive away from these shopping center, just making that extra trip to bring things back is gonna be tough. But I think if I just screw down one area really well, it should be okay. So I picked up those oil from a local store here in the Twin City called Daughter of Ra. She is located in Maplewood Mall, so if you are in the Twin City, you can check her out. Alright, so I have this diffuser, and it has a little color to it. I just love that. And here, there was a lotion in this that I picked up a while ago. It does have coconut in it. I'd rather like the jar is in, not the lotion itself, but I rather like this, so I hang on to it for a while. So that's this right there. And I do have some shower stuff here. So this is a body wash dispenser, which is okay. So what do you think? Do you think it's a little too much over here? Do you think it's just right? Leave a comment below and let me know your thoughts. So I am thinking about taking this from here and putting a hook instead of this tower bar. So let me know what you think. All right, so if you have made it this far, thank you. I just wanted to talk about few things since we moved in our house. It turns out we missed a whole closet. The painter skipped a whole closet. And so I was doing a recording and I noticed this patchy area in the closet down in the basement. So I decided to look and see what it was. Well, it turns out it was not touched. So I did contact the construction manager and got the pin work done right away. Then couple days later, we also noticed that in our bathroom, the flush room vent is not working. The house is an energy efficient house, so everything starts very quietly. When you turn the vent on, it takes few minutes before you can hear it, and it's just very quiet. So when we did the new house orientation, once we checked the main bathroom vent, I walked over to that flush room. I turned it on, but I just turned it off right away. And doing our walkthrough, I didn't check on it. So it turns out it wasn't working. Make sure you check everything in your house. If you have an energy efficient house, just give it a few minutes to kind of warm up and make sure that it's working before you walk away. Don't make my mistake. Currently we don't have that vent fixed yet. I have put in the order request. I am still waiting to hear back from the builder to tell me when it's gonna be fixed. But as of right now, it's not working. Thankfully, it's not a major vent in the bathroom. It's just the flush room, which we don't use as often. So, yeah, don't make my mistake. Make sure you check